Yeah, so started record. So today what I'm going to explain, So yesterday we aware of, how to create the table space, right? And also how to create the table on the particular table space, right? We work around for these things, right? So today I'm going to explain, okay, how to move the database from one table space to another table space. Okay. So, and as well as, okay, so how to create temporary table space. See here, normally, whenever we are going to create the temporary table, at that time, okay, the temporary table will going to create under PC underscore default table space. Okay, but this is not recommended. Whenever we are going to create the temporary table, so we need to specify the temporary table space. Okay, so those things will today will work. Okay, so let's create one table space today. Okay, see here. So this is the new server. So as of now, so you see here, there are two table spaces is there. These are all default things. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create so freshly one directory called TBL SPC1. Okay, and I'm going to create the table space TBL SPC1 location slash app01 slash so TBL SPC1. See here. Now I created the table space. Okay. See here. If you're going to check the table space, right? See here. So just now we have created the tables. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create the database TB new. Okay. Table space name TBL SPC1. See here, guys, I created this database under the TBL SPC1 table space. Okay, now if I'm going to create the any tables under this database, right? TB new. Okay, so now if I'm going to create a table called mtest id integer comma name varchar. See here. So I'm going to insert some records, insert into mtest values. Okay, just I'm going to insert some 1 lakh records to this table. See here. So 1 comma. So I'm going to insert some records here. Okay. So now tell me this table is located on which table space? So this table is located on TBL SPC1 table space, right? Because we are in DB new database. So this table will going to store on TBL SPC1 table space. Correct, right, guys? Okay. So now you can check the table space size. See here, the table space size is 13 MB. Okay. So previously, see here, it is 0 bytes. But now it is showing, see here, 13 MB because we have inserted some records and as of now, so the TBL, sorry, the database DB new, it's mapping to the TBL SPC1 table space. Correct, right, guys? See here, if you are going to check slash L plus DB new, see here, the DB new database is mapped to the TBL SPC1 tablespace. Okay, TBL SPC1 tablespace. So now see here, select OID from PG OID, comma, relation name from PG underscore class, relation name is equal to, so mtest, where, see here, so this OID is 24584. Okay, so now you go and check here, CDTBL SPC1, so CDPG here, so 24. See here, what is the OID for the table? So the OID for the table is 24584. Okay, see here now. See here, guys. So this table is created under TBL SPC1 table space. Okay, and also tell me, guys, where the user related table space information will be there, on which directory the user related table space information will be there, guys, on which folder, guys, on which folder the so table space information will be there, user defined table space information on which directory, guys?
PG underscore
Yes, here.
TBLSC.
Oh, sorry. So I'm in the cluster 1, PG underscore TBL SPC. Here you can see here. So 24582. Okay. So this is, a soft link has been created to this link, means this path. This is the physical path, right? This is the OID for that table space. See here. So this is the location. Okay. In the data directory, okay, one more directory will be there. That is called PG underscore TBLSPC. All the user defined table space inform soft link will be there on this location. Okay. This is very, very important thing. Okay. So
Manoj,
now,
can you scroll up?
yeah.
I'm getting little confusing. Can you scroll up after
Mhm.
creating the table? Yeah,
Okay.
created the database and
Yes, yes. Yeah, this is the thing. Yeah. So I created a table here. Yes, see here. I created a table under DB new database. Where the DB new database is there? Under TBL
yeah,
SPC1 table space, right?
yeah.
Yeah. So that's why this table is under TBL SPC1. Your doubt is cleared, right?
Yeah, got it, got it.
Okay, okay. Okay, so this is the way we need to map the database to particular table space. Now, in such scenarios, example, if the file system got completely full or in some due to some hardware issue, okay, so immediately we need to move the complete database to another table space. Okay, at that time, okay, what we need to do, so we need to move the complete database to another location. Okay, so what are all the prerequisites and what things we need to do, First of all, I will show you one thing. See here. Okay, see here. Now, /c db new, select OID, comma, relation file node, okay, comma, relation name. from pg underscore class where relation name is equal to what is the relation name? M-test, correct? See here, as of now, see here guys. So the OID, object ID and the relation file node is same only, correct? The object ID and relation file node is same only as of now. Okay. So now see here, because why, after we are going to change the location for this database for this location to another location, right? At that time, this relation file node will going to change. Okay. As of now, it is pointing to this location, this OID. But whenever we are going to change from one location to another location, right? At that time, okay, so this relation file node will going to change. I will show you how exactly it will going to change. Now, what I'm going to do, currently the DB new database is there on this table space, correct? TBL SPC one location, right? So now I'm going to, like move the complete location for this table space. Okay, see here. Now see here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create. So one table space here, TBL SPC 2. Okay, before moving to one location to another location, the first step what we need to do, so downtime is required. Whenever we are going to move from one location to another location, right, for the table space, at the time, okay, so, like a downtime database server downtime is required. Okay, now what we need to do before going to move this table space to one location to another location, we need to stop the database server. So cluster one stop. Okay, so we need to stop the database server. See here, guys. Okay, now I stop the database server. As of now, see here, I created so one more directory because I'm going to move this complete thing to the TBL SPC2. Okay, so now see here, guys. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this complete. Okay, so I'm going to move this complete things to TBL SPC2. So see here, move TBL SPC1 easy TBL SPC2. Okay, I'm moving the complete things to TBL SPC2 means new location. I'm going to move the things to new location. Okay, see here, I completely moved to this location. Okay, now if you are go and check, right? So before going to there, what I'm going to do, I will remove this TBL SPC1 directory. Okay, I'm going to remove TBL SPC1 directory. Once we moved, okay, so there is no no need to keep this empty directory, right? So that's why I'm going to remove this directory. Okay, so now you can go and check. So app01 cluster 1 pg underscore tbl spc. Here, the soft link is going to blink here. See here? Because as currently this location is not there, right? So that's why see here, it is blinking means so this directory is not there. We have completely moved the things to new directory, right? Correct. we have completely moved the things to new directory. Okay, so now before going to start the database server, okay, so what we need to do, what we need to do, so we need to create the soft link to the new location. As of now, this table space is pointing to this location, but this location is completely dropped. We have moved all the things to the new location. Now what we need to do? We need to create the soft link to the new location, means /app01 tbl spc2. Okay, how to move this one, how to create the soft link, ln-fs. So this is the way. Okay, ln-fs and the location and OID. Okay, see here guys, I'm going to create soft link and I will going to point the new table space location and the OID 24582. Okay, I'm going to create the soft link for this OID. See here now. Okay, this OID is pointing to the new location. Now, okay, so this is the right time to start the database server. Okay, see here, easy underscore CTL hyphen D slash app01 and cluster1 start. Okay, now you connected to the database server. Here, we'll connect to the database server and you can check the TB plus TBL SPC1. See here, guys, what is the location for this table space? So it's completely a new location. Before the location is TBL SPC1, right? See here, before location is TBL SPC1. Now we have completely moved to the another location. Okay, now we have completely moved to the another location. See here, this is the way we need to move the table space to one location to another location. Okay, now one more thing I need to show you guys. Okay, now see here, slash c db new, you can check the relation file node. See here, not one moment, not this one. Select to id comma.
Can you mute someone? Actually, it's
Yeah,
lagging,
yeah.
guys.
So can you please someone mute? Okay. So the relation file node, it's same only. As of now, it's same only. So, but when it will going to change, so if the single table is going to point to that particular table space at that time, the relation file node will going to change. Otherwise, so it will not going to change. In this scenario, it will not going to change. Okay, yesterday we have created some single table to the particular table space, right? At that time, whenever we are going to move to the another location, at that time relation file node will going to change. Otherwise, the relation file node will be same only. Okay. Yeah. So this is the way we need to move the table space location to one location to another location. Okay. First, we need to create the directory. Then, so we need to stop the database server. Then we need to remove the whole direct. So we need to move the all the necessary data to the new location, right? And also once we move to the new location, okay, so we need to create the soft link to the new location. Okay, so this is the way we need to move the table space from one location to another location. Anybody have any doubts here? Guys, anybody have any doubts?
Manoj, one question actually. So, in the
Yeah,
ln
yeah,
command, you
please.
use the particular OID, which is 24582. So, have you used that randomly, or you derived that from somewhere?
Sorry, come again. I did not understand.
I mean, when you were linking, right? So, in your ln-fs command, you used a
Oh,
particular
this one. Okay.
OID,
Yeah.
right? So,
Yeah.
where did you get that OID from, or that is a random number?
No, 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 no. This is the old OID. Whatever it is allocated for old table space location, table space, right? That is the one.
Okay, okay. Right. Okay, got it. Yeah.
So the same thing. So I have created the soft link for new location. See here. So this new
Okay,
location.
got it.
The yeah, yeah.
Perfect.
Okay. Anybody have any doubts here? Guys, anybody have any doubts here? I think I hope you guys are cleared, right? Okay. So now see here. Okay. So see here now, if I am going to create temporary table, okay, TMP1. So a int b text c date. Okay. If I'm going to create this table, okay, normally, okay, this table will located on pg underscore default. See here, if nothing is showed in the below, right? So here blank is there, right? So this table will be under pg underscore default. Okay, this table will be under pg underscore default. Okay, now see here, and also as of now, show temp underscore table spaces. See here, currently there is no temporary table space. Okay, as of now, there is no temporary table space. So that's why every temporary table space will going to create under pg underscore default. Okay, this is not recommended to create the table space on, okay, user defined or temporary, pg underscore default table space. Okay, so what we need to do, so we need to create temporary table space. Okay, if someone is going to create the temporary table for sorting operation or any purpose, okay, at that time, so that temporary tables needs to create on temporary table space. Okay, the temporary table needs to create on temporary table space, not PG default or any user defined table space. Okay, how to create the temporary table space? Okay, how to create the temporary table space? See here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create. So TMP. Anyway, the temp tables is whenever the session, the temp tables or session things, right? So once we are going to exit, so that particular tables will be, it will going to automatically, it will going to clear, right? So that's why what I'm going to do, I'm going to create the temporary table space on this location, on temp location. PBSTMP. Okay, so I'm going to create the temporary table space on this location. See here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create the table space tbstmp. Okay, location is, this is the one. Okay, see here. Now it will going to act as a normal table space. Okay, so simply if I'm going to create table space name and location, right? At that time, it will going to act as a normal table space. And also, if you are going to check the show temp table spaces, right? It will not going to show you anything. Okay, once we created the temp table space, okay, what we need to do, we need to enable this configuration parameter. Okay, alter system set temp underscore table spaces is equal to, we need to specify table space name. We need to specify table space name. Okay, see here. Now what we need to do, once we are going to enable this configuration parameter, so we need to reload this configuration parameter. Okay, so now it is impacted now. Now what I'm going to do is here show temp table spaces here. Now it is showing. Okay, whoever using this database server, okay, so all are able to access this temp table space. Okay, so
And
all are, yeah, please.
so we are altering the temp configuration parameters. It is impacting that auto, right? The entry will be in auto configuration auto.
Exactly, exactly. See here. Now you go and check in the, so cat PostgreSQL auto.conf. See here. So it is impacted in, so auto.conf. Exactly. See here. Good thing. Okay. So it is impacted in auto.conf because we have changed the configuration parameter in the database server level. Okay. That's why that configuration parameter is, it's right into this PostgreSQL.auto.conf file. Okay. So now see
Yeah,
here.
got
Yeah, now see here, I'm going to create the temporary table. Okay, I'm going to create one temporary table, table tmp2. Same thing will do. A int comma b text c date. Okay. See here, without specifying anything, just I'm going to creating the temporary table. Okay, where this temporary table is created, let's go and check. /d means describe. Okay, see here, guys. So this table is created under the temporary table space called tbstmp. Okay, in complete this database server, whoever will going to create any temporary tables, right? As of now, it will going to create under this table space. So this is the way we need to, okay, create the temporary table space. And also see here, we can also check the path for this table. PG relation underscore file path. Okay, what is the relation file path for this table? We can easily identify tmp2. See here, guys, what is the relation file path? See here. So this is the relation file path. Okay. So this is the way we need to check the relation file path for any of the table. Got it, guys? Guys, you got it right? Anybody have any doubts? Anybody have any doubts here?
No, we are good.
Okay. Okay, so now what I'm going to explain, So yeah, one moment. Okay. Yeah, so let's go to the PG admin. Let's try to create the table space on PG admin. Okay. How to create the table space using PG admin. Test 1, 2, 3.
Whatever we created the temporary table space, it will use for entire cluster or only only.
Entire cluster. Entire cluster.
Okay.
Entire cluster.
So only one table space is enough in real time? No, right?
No.
No.
So no. See here,
Okay.
so that's why. So in entire real-time scenario, so we need to create multiple temporary table spaces.
So at the time, if you create the table, any temporary table, where it will go? We need to check the relation only, or
Come again?
so
I didn't.
if multiple temporary table spaces are there, so if you create any temporary table, where it will go?
Yeah, the first thing is, so whatever you guys are, like whatever you guys are, so pointing to the, you guys are changing the configuration parameter for the particular temporary table space, right? So for at that time, it will going to pointing to the particular temporary table space only. But see here, based on the application also, if see here, some applications are going to using the PSQL, some application, are using the PG admin. At that time, we can alter the temporary table space as well. Okay, if someone is going to connect into using the PSQL means at that time it will be going to use like a TBL temp one table space. If someone is going to use PG admin, at that time we can set for the temp two table space. That is possible. Okay, so that is possible. But the based on the client, we need to alter the particular configuration parameter. That option is there.
So
Okay, that
that is
option
to
is there.
convert the table space into temporary table space, right?
No, 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 no,
Convert
no, no.
convert the normal
See,
after creating the normal table space, we are to convert the we are altering the this configuration, right? No.
yeah, exactly, correct.
Okay.
No. No, no, my explanation is not that one. Okay, so my thing is, you asked me, right? So whenever we are going to create multiple temporary table spaces, okay, at the time we can divert the temporary table space to based on client utility. If someone is going to use PSQL, at the time the PSQL users will going to connect with the temp1 table space. If someone is going to connect with the PG admin, those clients are going to connect with the TMP2 table space. That is possible.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so that is possible. But so if someone is using only the PSQL client utility, so that is entire database server level. Okay, he or she is going to use only the only the particular template, single temp table space.
Okay.
Okay, we cannot use the multiple temp table space at the same time. I think I hope you understand or not.
Yeah. Based on the the users, we are dividing the table spaces, temporary table spaces, right?
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. Correct.
Okay.
That is possible. Yeah.
But in your commands, you are not assigning any user level table spaces, right?
Exactly. See here, in my command, it's completely system level, means database server level. When you guys wants to set the user level at that time, you need to use alter user. Okay. So in my in our scenario here, once we created the temporary table space, okay, so we used alter system, correct? Where is that?
Yeah.
Yeah, see here, alter system. Okay, so we are able to do the user level as well. Alter user set temp table space is equal to particular user. That is also possible.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, got it.
So
Got it.
yeah, one moment. Just a moment. Yeah. See here. Now I'm going to create the table space in with
Manoj,
pgadmin. Yeah,
Manoj,
yeah, 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 yeah. Please, Srinivas.
in what you are showing is what is that interface? Is a console?
Where is that?
You are showing the screen, right? Yeah, this one.
This one, huh? You're
Yeah,
talking about this one?
the entire interface.
This is pgadmin.
It's not Unix, right?
Yeah, this is completely Windows.
Yeah, that's what. Okay.
Yeah, this is Windows. Yeah. So now what I'm going to do, so I will create that, table space in pgadmin. Okay, how to create, see here. Before going to create, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create one directory here called tbl spc1. Okay, so here I created a directory. So now what I'm going to do, I will create the table space here. The name of the table space is tbl spc1. Okay, and the location, its location, that is, this is the location. Okay, so I provided the location for this, and also see here, it will going to provide the syntax as well. See here, create table space name, owner Postgres. The location of this table space is, this is the location. Okay, now I'm going to create the user defined table space. Here guys, I created the table space here. So here I created the table space. Okay, so now if I'm going to create the database, right? See here, create database. Database name is dbnew. Okay, and I'm going to, here. So we need to mention the table space. I don't want to go with the PG default. Okay, I need to go with TBL SPC1. Okay, so see here, now I'm going to creating this table database on this table space. Okay, and also see here, guys. So see here, if I'm going to enable this one, right? At that time, it will going to show you as a template database. Okay, I don't want to go with this template database. Okay, I will go with the normal database. Okay, see here, I'm going to create this database is under our user defined table space called TBL SPC1. Okay, just I'm going to create it. See here now, you can go with the properties. See here, now this database is under, so which table space? TBL SPC1. Okay, now you can go here, app01 TBL SPC1. See here, inside 24585 is the table space ID, OID, and within the OIDs here. So all the things is there. What are these things? These are, so that is system related objects. Okay, system objects, OID and its FSM and VM. Okay, all are system objects, OID and FSM and VM. Okay, so this is the way we need to create the, see here, this is the way we need to create the table space on Windows, means PG admin. Okay. Anybody have any doubts here? Does anybody have any doubts here? Does anybody have any doubts here?
No, Manoj, please.
Manoj. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. The next thing is here. So now I'm going to create temp table space. So here we need to create the temporary table space. Temp tab. Okay. So the location is, this is the one. Okay, see here. So it will going to generate the syntax as well. So once so the valid inputs, we need to save this one. Directory already in, oh, sorry. This directory, I need to use this one. See here, now temporary table space is created, but now as of now, it is going to act as a normal database. Okay, so what I'm going to do, we need to, so where is that query analyzer? Query tool. Here, what we need to do, alter system. Just I will copy there. Here, so we need to set this configuration parameter. Okay, so what is the table space name is here temp tab. Okay, I'm going to set this one. Now I need to, what we need to do, we need to reload the configuration, right? See here option is there. So just reload the configuration. Server configuration is reloaded. Okay, so now you can refresh. Now you guys create a temporary table. Temp1 a int comma b text b date. Here, if I'm going to create this table, okay. So this table will be there under here /t temp1. Okay. What I created. Temp1 only, right? Refresh. Get the database I created. Okay, sorry. Suppose Grace schema. Where is the temp1 table? So which I created. /t temp1. Oh, okay. Sorry. So now, so that is session specific, right? Temporary table temp1 a int here now temp1. See here, now it's created on temp tab. So wait, it's not showing, so this is session specific, right? So that's why we are not unable to view that one. Okay, see here. So this is the way we need to create the temporary table space and user defined table space using pgadmin. See here. Okay, anybody have any doubts here? Guys, anybody have any doubts here?
Yeah, fine.
Okay. So this is the way we need to create the temporary table space, user defined table space using Linux and Windows prompt. Okay. Okay, guys. So then we'll discuss tomorrow the more things on, like regarding configuration parameters. Okay. And, uh, so like, and also, like how to, create the users. What are all the things once we are going to create the user? What are all the necessary things we need to take from DBA? Okay. So let's discuss on tomorrow. Okay,
Sure thing.
and also, yeah, and also, like there is log, so there is log management also is there. Okay, so before going to other things, we'll discuss on log management as well. So log management is nothing but it's purely error log management. So okay, how to configure those things in PostgreSQL, we'll discuss that one as well. But so the table space concept you guys are understood, right, guys?
Yes.
Yes, Manoj.
Yeah. So Manoj, in the entire Postgres, we have only one page size. We have any page size like that? We don't have 8K,
Yeah, it's
16K.
entire cluster level page size, 8K.
That's it.
That's it.
Okay.
It's a default page size, right?
Yes, that is the default page size.
So what is the monitoring tool supports PostgreSQL, like Foglight?
Yeah,
Can it?
yeah, exactly. So there are many monitoring tool is there. PG Clue is there, and also and one more tool is there. PG uh what is that? Recently, one moment here. Uh, PG, that is a very wonderful tool. I'm going to configure that one as well. So one moment, wait. What is that tool name is? Oh yeah, PG Profiler. Okay, so this is a wonderful monitoring tool. Okay, PG Profiler. And also we can identify the, performance monitoring as well. Okay, so who like recently someone is going to delete the records, or someone is going to insert more records. Okay, so which table is hitting the more performance? All the things we can easily identify that tool. So PG Profiler. So I'm going to explain that one as well. So maybe in the
What ab-
yeah, yeah,
what ab-
yeah. Uh-huh.
auditing is there? Auditing table.
Exactly. Yeah. Auditing also I'm going to explain.
Okay.
Auditing, PG audit. Okay, there is a concept called PG audit. I'm going to explain that one as well. That is very, very important thing. PG auditing. Yeah. But
Sounds
like a PG profiler is a very, very good tool. Like in many organization, I advise this tool only. Okay, PG profiler, we can easily identify the performance things. Yeah. So
okay. This is
anyway,
not a
so
third.
we'll
This
yeah,
is not a
no,
third.
no, it's
This is
a
related with Postgres as well.
exactly, exactly. So this is completely free for Postgres.
Okay.
Okay, guys, then so we'll connect tomorrow. So we'll discuss on log management.
Sure, Manoj. Thank
Yeah,
you.
please practice these things. Okay, so if you have any doubts, feel free to reach me. I'm going to explain. Thank you, guys.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.